Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be doing the project overview of Brain Cosmo, which is located in Hoskur, East Bangalore, a project developed by Brain Corporation. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, plot size, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So basically this is the entrance of the project and here's the marketing office. Now about the land parcel. So it's right in front of me over here. You can have a look at the plots as well. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So the project will be consisting of plots. The project is spread across 17 acres of land parcel consisting of 202 plots. Now coming to the location part, and the project is located in Hoskur near Budigere Cross in East Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this road over here will connect you towards Budigere Cross and the opposite side road will take you towards Old Madras Road in few meters. Now about the further connectivity of the project. You can connect to Orion Uptown Mall in just 1.5 kilometers. Vib Your School is 3 kilometers away. East Point Hospital is 6 kilometers away and Decathlon is 2.5 kilometers from the location of the project. Coming to the amenities part, this project will provide you world-class amenities like of grand clubhouse of ground plus 2 floors, having indoor and outdoor games like of sitting pavilion, senior citizen area, kids play area, gymnasium and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the plot sizes. Now coming to the plot sizes. So the plot sizes here are starting from 600 square feet to 2800 square feet. Now let's discuss the booking process, and the project booking window is operational right now. So we are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the actual land parcel itself. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Brain Cosmo, which is located in Hoskur, East Bangalore, a project developed by Brain Corporation.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.